This is business. What is this? Free Talk Business 3, Lesson 3 review. How to find massive business growth. Okay. We really need to find a way to 10x this business. I agree. If we want to scale, we have to stop doing everything ourselves. Right. But before we grow too fast, we should drill down to the core of what's really working. Exactly. What's bringing in the highest return? Not just traffic, but actual paying customers. Our blog brings in quantity, but not much quality. Most of those visitors bounce after a few seconds. That's not surprising. We need to focus more on the users who actually convert. So maybe fewer blog posts, but more high-value ones that solve real problems. Yes, less noise, more depth. If we want better results, we have to make every effort count. We need to focus relentlessly on user experience. If the product doesn't feel right, scaling just makes the problems bigger. Let's put together a new strategy that balances quality and quantity, but always with the end user in mind. Sounds like a plan. Let's go all in smartly. Okay, good job.